I should do a little sound lesson for charcoal. As I'm cutting some of these, I can hear some of them are slightly overcooked and some of them sound really good. That one, not very, it's too overcooked. This one, a little bit better. I grab, like you can just, kind of sounds like ceramic. You can even hear it when I drop it in the flower pot. I'll put it closer to the microphone. Like some of them you can just hear clink better, and some of them definitely just thud. This one's mash. I'll pull it aside and use it to start the next charcoal batch. But today I'm making pretty sounds for you guys, so I guess I'll keep it in there.